Ikaw na mag-add na. That's fine, that's fine. Okay, so dahil Pecha de Peligro today, and gusto namin mag-coffee and wala kami pang Starbucks, dito na lang muna kami ni Wifey sa park. So, for the first time, ito-test namin yung ginawa kong coffee bar, right? Nagdala lang kami ng chairs and yung camp table, and then set up na natin yung coffee bar. Naririnig ka sa video, so be careful what you say. Tapos, set up na natin yung coffee bar. Ito guys, ito pala. I'm not sure kung kita ko sa video, that's fine. Pakita mo na lang ma. Ito, this is actually an addition dito sa coffee bar project natin. Kung saan siya lalagyan siya ng Wi-Fi router, kinakabit siya sa ganitong klaseng hinge, didikit siya sa wall, hindi na kailangan i-drill yung hinge sa wall, nakadikit lang talaga siya, as in very nice tape, very good quality. And naisip ko na pwede siyang gawing table dito sa side as such. Okay? Let me show you. Yan. So extension siya na desk area dito sa coffee bar, as well as itong part na to. There. So setup lang natin. We're probably gonna put this on fast forward or time lapse na namin para ma-skip na yung setup part para di masyadong mahaba yung video. What we're gonna do today is gagawa kami ng Spanish latte, and I'll brew the coffee using the moka pot. Tapos si wife na bahala gumawa nung latte right after. Pakilagay dyan.
Ano ito dito?
Yeah. It's fine. Shouldn't fall. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna boil water. And gagamitin natin yung improved natin na alcohol stove.
Yung binidyo mo?
So we're not gonna talk about a lot of stuff right now. This is just more of a showing kung paano gamitin itong coffee bar na ginawa natin.
Sa ilaw, daddy.
Baliktad na, baliktad. Nakapasok ka, it's already on. Alright. So, ayan. So, we do the honors. Lagyan mo na ng tubig to and put it there when you're ready. So, we'll just put the water to boil.
Hindi mo i-cover?
Yung alin?
Yung pot.
Pwede naman.
Para mas mabilis.
And we're just gonna prepare this. Pakita natin sa camera yung langaw. Hindi yung paggawa.
Di ba dapat full to? I mean,
Dapat mo pa maligita.
buo, daddy? I mean, buo.
Oo. Yung sa top.
Ang ganda nung kasabay nung tunog.
So, yan, okay. This should be enough.
Ay.
Sige. Yan. Thank you. Kasi hindi mo siya dapat i-compress ng sobra kasi sobrang tight nun if you do. And hindi dadaan ng maisong water. So, sakto lang. I think kulang pa nga to, honestly. So, I'll add more. Ikaw na mag-add na. That's fine, that's fine. Okay. If you can avoid yung mga malalaking bitsen, that's fine. But, you know, much better kung ma-avoid niya siya. Alright. So, pareha ko naman. Thank you.
Agad nga naman mag-boil, daddy.
Mahangin kasi mo eh.
Ay, wala kang yung ano?
Hindi ko dala. Let me show you the part.
The flower.
There's your wifey. Oh no, the battery.
Babat na?
Lapit na.
Wala ka spare?
May mga spare ako. Ang hassle kasi yung pagtatanggalin. Pero okay lang.
Kaya mo picture naman tayo. Habang maliwaliwanag pa.
Pangit ko naman dyan.
Okay.
So yan, the water is boiling. So, ayusin ko lang yung angle ng camera. Okay, so this is gonna be annoyingly hot.
Wala, bakit ka nagdala ng ano, daddy?
Yeah. Napasobra. Ouch, it's hot. Watch it, ma. Madalas yung ano.
Ano ba yan? Bakit ganyan, daddy?
Oh no, fail! Ah,
Alam, wala na tayong tubig.
wala na. And
Oh, meron.
Sige, sige.
Tubig na lang. Oo.
kailangan pa ba ng water later? Hindi naman na, di ba? We're gonna do that again. Make sure muna na patay ito. Kasi delikado to kapag may flame pa siya. Tapos, lagyan ko ng alcohol.
Sure ka ba, daddy? Off na talaga.
Off yan.
Italis mo na.
Okay, we're gonna try that again. Ow, 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 ow.
Gablihin mo, daddy, yung ano yan.
Ow, 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 ow.
Hala, kulang. Hindi ba kulang to?
Okay lang.
O, ito pa.
Nice. Okay. I'm just gonna cut that part. Okay.
Tignan mo yung brand na to, daddy.
Alin? May ganyan? Ayun na. Okay, so we just wait for it to finish spouting coffee. This is very pure black coffee.
Piling ko sobrang tapang.
Tapang na to, sigurado. But we'll see.
Ito. So, una kong gagawin is
Ito?
ilagay ko na kaya muna yung milk.
Saan?
Kasi para mahaluan ko na siya ng condensed milk.
Okay.
Yan. Oh, daming milk. Tapos, para mahalo ko. Mahalo ko lang siya. Tapos lagyan na natin siya, lagyan ng ice. Ihuli na natin.
And people have different methods of making coffee. This is how we make our Spanish latte. Well, actually, that's how she makes it for us. And okay naman. So, we'll see. Normally, we use yung mga Nescafe na instant coffee lang. First time namin tatry it naka-moka pot.
Ano ba? Wala na?
Nagkonti pa. Share naman tayo sa isa.
Try natin kung magpuprot siya. O, hindi nga siya umaabot. Hindi nga umaabot.
Ay, epic fail. Ayan, nagpa-froth.
No,
Ayaw.
ayaw niya mag-prot. O, kasi,
Yan na yun. Lagay mo na.
Di paano naman ako bibigyan?
Hindi, share nga tayo. Kasi di ba, kita naman sa video na tumapon yung tubig kanina and
Yeah.
we're too
Feeling ko
lazy to
sobrang-
get more. Tikman mo nga. So taste
diba?
test. Ayan.
Wait, ano natin? Halo natin. Feeling ko sobrang pait.
We'll see. Sobrang pait, lesson learned. Ano, kumusta? It's good.
Sarap.
Let me try. It's actually really good, surprisingly. I thought sobrang epic fail kasi aray minute. Kinulang kami sa tubig dito dahil nga tumapon yung unang water na pinakuluan namin. So, ayan.
Sarap.
So, I think it tastes better than triple mocha.
Sayang wala tayong ano eh.
But it's really nice. Sarap yung coffee. That's pretty much the idea bakit ko ginawa tong coffee box na to. For times like this na gusto namin mag-coffee and we don't have money to to buy coffee from Starbucks. And we just want to unwind, just relax. Look at the view right here. You can find that in coffee shops, quite honestly. Tsaka kita niyo yung maduming creek sa park namin and yeah. So how was it, Ma?
Masarap
Okay naman?
Daddy.
Okay, so how,
Masarap. In fairness, okay yung coffee grounds.
sarap na.
Anong coffee ground ba yun?
Yun yung galing kay Mars, sa sister niya
sa
yung wife.
Australia.
Came from
Australia.
Australia. Oo.
Extra strong.
Yeah, it's really nice. Actually, itong sa moka pot, pwede pang ituloy sa bahay yan. Kasi hindi naman talaga naluto lahat. Okay, so yan, Ma. So, is there anything you want to say to the viewers before we end the video?
Sabihin ko. Una, try nyo munang gumawa ng coffee, ganitong coffee box. Kasi ang ganda talaga, portable kahit saan kayo pumunta, kahit saan nyo gustong mag-coffee and mag-enjoy ng partner mo, pwede mong gawin. Ayan. So, syempre, sana mag-subscribe kayo and click yung notification bell para updated kayo sa mga videos na gagawin ni Chris Tech Tour. Yun lang. Bye. Thank you.
So, you'll see more of YV on the next videos. Sasama ko siya sa paggawa ng alcohol soap. So, you guys can see how easy it is to make. Wala masyadong alam si wife doon when it comes to making or DIY stuff. Kasi ako talaga yung ma-DIY sa amin. Pero, I'll show you that even my wife can make it very, very easily. Okay, just follow the instructions. So, yun lang. So, I'll see you guys in the next video. Everybody love everybody. Peace.
Bye.
Papayita ako sa ganun. Peace.